Muling magbabalik ang Philippine Hot Air Balloon Fiesta sa New Clark City o NCC mula February 13 to 15, 2026. Tampok ang mga palabas sa aviation at makukulay na sky spectacles. Ayon kay Captain Joy Roa, Event Director ng Hot Air Balloon Fiesta, layunin nito na higit pang paunlarin ang kakayahan ng mga Pilipinong aviator at drone pilots sa pamamagitan ng mga kompetisyon at international level platforms. Ito ay ibinahagi niya sa Kapihan Media Forum ng Pampanga Press Club na ginanap sa Han Resorts nitong January 7. Kabilang sa mga tampok ngayong taon ang 22 special-shaped balloons, isang 550 drone aerial display at ang kauna-unahang public demonstration ng Kicks Hoverbike, isang hoverbike na imbensyon ng Pilipino. Kasama sa mga kompetisyon ang paragliding accuracy, paramotor beach ball, FPV drone racing at drone soccer na layong makabuo ng mga pambansang koponan para sa mga pandaigdigang paligsahan.
This is our 26th year for the Balloon Fiesta, and this is the first time we will have 22 special shaped balloons from different countries. So I'll share with you the different shapes of the balloons. We have the Action Man, we have Babe, it's like a witch. So in the morning, we have the free flights every morning. This is at 5:30 in the morning. And in the evening, of course, we have the night glow. So you can stay the whole day, all the way up to the evening. We will have 550 drones, which means that all the details are more precise.
Bukod sa aviation sports, tampok din ang mga aktibidad para sa pamilya tulad ng RC Airplane Games, Paper Airplane Contest, kite flying, ultralight aircraft displays, helicopter demos, craft drifting, fly market at mga kiddie activities. Magkakaroon din ng aviation career seminars para sa mga kabataan. Isa rin sa mga inaabangang tampok ang Valentine Dinner with Night Glow kung saan sabay-sabay liliwanag ang mga hot air balloon at drones sa gabi. Ang Philippine Hot Air Balloon Fiesta ay itinatag ng dating secretary na si Mina Gabor at ngayoy regular na ginaganap sa NCC. Ang ticket ay nagkakahalaga ng 750 pesos. Samantala, ayon kay BCDA President and CEO Joshua Bincang, magkakaroon ng libreng shuttle services mula sa mga piling lugar sa Tarlac at Clark.
We welcome this kind of event dahil it really reinforces our facilities, New Clark City, as a venue not just for sports, which we are actively pursuing right now together with Philippine Sports Commission under Chairman Pato Gregorio, but also for tourism, because it creates this kind of sabi nga ni Governor, traction for economic activities.
Sinabi naman ni Tarlac Governor Christian Yap na buong suporta ang ibinibigay ng pamahalaang panlalawigan sa nasabing kaganapan.
It will help the province economically, socially. The trickle-down effect will have high impacts on our hotels, our tourist operators, our cottage industries. And so we want to really promote this event for better tourism economic activities in the province and in the region.
Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.